Supply chains are no longer viewed as merely cost centers. Leading companies are seeing their supply chain operations as an opportunity to create demand-driven value chains. While a large percentage of your costs of goods sold and cost of goods manufactured are embedded in your supply chain processes, so are dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of opportunities to reduce cost and increase customer service levels. A starting point with leading companies is to implement or improve your sales and operations planning process, including your executive SOP. The sales and operations planning process has 4 major steps that run on a monthly cycle, culminating in the executive SOP. You know, a lot of people are involved in this process, and information from many areas of your business and your target markets is required to support the decision-making activities. So here's the problem. There is a huge information gap separating the aggregated data needed in the sales and operations planning process and the highly event-driven, day-to-day, detail-oriented information used by operations people. More often than not, this gap is inadequately plugged with complex Excel spreadsheets, homegrown departmental access applications, and siloed ERP reports. Even when a stable reporting system exists, the information available is typically siloed. For example, inventory levels, inventory turns, open orders, sales by period. This information is important, but what's even more interesting and valuable is a dynamic view of information that cuts across these silos. For example, inventory relative to the stream of orders requiring it and the inbound resupply. Do I have enough inventory to satisfy customer orders or forecasted demand? Will I have too much inventory? Do I have inventory with no demand? Or worse yet, purchase orders with no demand? Can I support next month's new product introduction? So what's needed to take control of the sales and operations planning process? First, a structured and complete set of metrics that, when observed together, provides a comprehensive view of the business and enables decision-making. The widely accepted AMR hierarchy of supply chain metrics is the de facto best practice. Even if your company does not use the hierarchy of supply chain metrics per se, many of your key performance indicators will nest within the hierarchy segments. The second component is a complete set of data that is granular enough to support daily decision-making and operations, can be viewed in operational silos and across the entire enterprise, and can be easily rolled up or, once rolled up, drilled into to support the sales and operations planning process in the executive SOP. In companies that run SAP ERP, a large percentage of the information required to fulfill this need can be found inside of SAP. Harnessing that data has been an ongoing challenge.